Hey, what's up? If you don't know me, my name is Trevor, and I've been able to make a consistent 200 to 300K per year online for the past couple of years straight. And I know that like every motherfucker on the internet says that, so here's some actual proof of me doing that on the screen here. But like, listen, before I was even able to get to the point of making at least even 5 to 10K per month, I went 6 months of trying a bunch of different business models online. I tried dropshipping, I tried SMMA, I tried affiliate marketing, and I even tried trading. And with all of those, I really didn't see any substantial progress in any of them. And it wasn't actually because of the business model. I came to realize that it was because I lacked the skill sets. And so I managed to make the 200 to 300K per year without starting my own business, but instead using a simple skill of sales. And when I say sales, I'm not saying like car sales or like calling random people and trying to sell them junk over the phone. I am talking about info product sales, where you essentially partner up with already existing businesses and you help them sell their digital products. And in 2026, this is by far the most optimal way to start making a good 5 to 10K per month online. So maybe like you're in college right now and you're sitting there thinking like, dude, what the fuck am I even doing in college? Like my degree is literally useless. Or like you're in an entry level 9 to 5 job and you're making some money, but you know you could be doing more with your gifts that you have. And you know like deep down that living the average life that like most people live is just not the path for you. The idea of you working your entire life for somebody else that doesn't give two shits about you, living paycheck to paycheck and barely being able to invest any money into your future, and then by the time you're 60 years old, maybe having enough money to retire, that life just doesn't like sit right with you, and it shouldn't. Here's the problem though. When you are young and you are ambitious and you really want to change your life for the better, there's a million different options out there, and it's very easy to get lost on which path you should actually go down. Especially now, since there's all of these fucking gurus on the internet, I'm sure you've seen it, and everybody is selling this like new opportunity or this new flashy thing to you. They talk about some new business model that's supposed to get you rich quick, and then you try it and realize that it's way harder than they put it out to be. And I know this because this is exactly how I felt just a couple years ago myself before I found my breakthrough. I was actually in college too, and I was working part-time as a lifeguard, and I'm like, dude, I know that this path is not meant for me. And so I started looking into ways to make money online, but ran into the exact same issue. I would see video after video, one guy on TikTok telling me to go do dropshipping, then one guy on YouTube telling me to go do affiliate marketing, then one guy on Instagram telling me to go do trading. And it's like all this conflicting advice made me super confused. I would try these business models for a little bit because I thought I could get rich, and I realized that it would be a lot harder than these people made it out to be. And then I would jump to the next business model and the exact same thing would happen. And I did this for like 6 months straight. It was only then that I came to the realization myself that just like straight up, I wasn't valuable enough. I wasn't good enough. I didn't have the skills. And that's why these business models weren't working. Because don't get me wrong, I literally saw people making money inside of these business models, but for some reason, everything that I tried wasn't working for me. It wasn't because the business models were actually bad themselves. It's because I lacked the internal skill sets to be able to make these business models work. And that's when I came across the idea of doing info product sales, like I mentioned earlier. Back then, like nobody was talking about this at all, but I could see this being something different than everything that I tried before because it was an actual skill set that I could build and I could get rewarded for my work. As long as I continued putting the reps in and showing up every single day, it would mean that on average, my income would continue going up every single month, and that's exactly what I wanted. And so just like all these other business models, you might be skeptical. You might be like, okay, well, isn't it just the same as everything else? And to be honest, I really don't even blame you for thinking that because I was in your exact same shoes. With everything that you see on the internet of people flexing fake screenshots, fake lifestyles, renting cars to try to flex on more people, acting like making money or building an online business is like the easiest fucking thing in the world and that you're gonna get rich and live this amazing Miami lifestyle. Like, I don't even blame you. And I used to think the exact same thing. I literally remember scrolling through TikTok, seeing all these videos and just getting fucking pissed at these people. But what I didn't realize until I actually started doing info product sales is info product sales isn't just about like calling random people and just like shoving products down their throat that they don't actually care about. It's not about scamming, lying, selling false promises to people. It's about helping people in a specific niche that are already interested in buying a particular thing. It's about guiding them through the entire sales process, and then if it makes sense, then persuading them to buy the thing. And the reason why this is such a great opportunity right now is two things. Number one, it is doing the opposite of what everyone else is doing right now. I mean, think about it for a second. Everybody is either doing dropshipping, trading, or trying to start their own like AI agency or AI business right now. The reality about these three business models that like everybody and their mother is trying is these three business models are not good for beginners. Certainly they can be some things that you can actually make money with in the future, but as a beginner with no experience, no skills, and not a ton of cash saved up, it doesn't make sense for you to try these business models. And so you get to maximize your odds of succeeding because everybody else is going down the failing route right now. The second reason, and this kind of ties with it too, is that like everybody and their mother is selling info products right now. Coaches, influencers, entrepreneurs, creators, they're all selling the knowledge that they have and the experiences that they have to people on social media. And if you haven't noticed that yet, then you honestly might be cooked. That's why doing info product sales in 2025 or 2026 isn't actually about being like the best salesperson in the world. It's more so about actually just collaborating and networking with the right people to be able to help them. And the reality is too, is every single one of these businesses that are selling info products needs sales help. Since this industry is so new to the world, these businesses literally suck at sales. Think about something like car sales, for example. Car sales has literally been around for like decades. So people have been able to get good over those decades. And now the demand for needing new sales reps isn't actually as high as something like info product sales that is like literally brand new. And the reason that this works so well for complete beginners who are looking to make money online is because these info products are selling to people who are already interested, at least semi-interested in buying their thing. You don't have to go in and sell for a business and then go out to complete strangers and try to convince these random strangers that have never heard of the business to buy their thing. These people will already be at least semi-familiar or semi-interested in either the influencer or the product that they sell. And so you're not having to like chase out random people. Info product sales is essentially broken down into two things. It's appointment setting and closing. Your job as an appointment setter is to work on behalf of an influencer, either in their DMs or calling the leads that they get. Your only job in doing this is to just have conversations with their leads and basically qualify them to see if they're going to be actually somebody who's going to be a candidate to buy the thing that the business is selling. If they are a candidate, then you're going to set the appointment, hence appointment setter. And if they aren't, then you can just reject them. As a closer, which is the second piece of it, now all you're doing is you're taking the appointments that the appointment setter set. Now you're getting on appointments, usually like 4 to 6, 30 to 45 minute Zoom calls per day. And all you're doing is you're just selling the thing that the business has to offer. And in both situations, you get paid a percentage of every single sale that you bring in. And this is actually a good thing because you can get rewarded for actually being good at what you do. Unlike some regular 9-to-5 job where you could go in and you could be the best employee on the team, and you could have a coworker that does fuck all and does nothing, and they still get paid the same amount of money as you. It's so stupid. In something like info product sales, you actually get paid really, really well when you're good and when you put in the reps and get better over time. And you get paid pretty mid if you're not that great, but that's the beauty of it because you can get better over time. You can actually get rewarded for your work and your effort. Now, if you want to know exactly how you can get started as an appointment setter, I'll leave a link in the description, which will show you exactly who you should be reaching out to, how you should be having conversations with these people to land roles in 2026. So I'll leave that in the description here. You can go ahead and check that out. And I promise you too, even if you're having like doubts and you're like, dude, I don't know if sales is meant for me. I'm not really like a sales guy. I felt the exact same way when I got started. I'm not like a sales guy myself either. Like I'm very introverted. I don't like to talk to people usually, if I'm being honest. The reality is though, the people that make the most amount of money and get rewarded the most in life are the people that are good at speaking. Now, I'm not saying you have to be some like public speaker, but it's good to pick up these foundational skill sets of being able to articulate yourself on a call, on a Zoom meeting, etc. Especially if you're a young man, like this is probably the best time that you could learn something like this because it's only going to reward you more and more as you get older. And trust me, when you actually get good at this stuff, this can be like the entire cornerstone that you use to change your life on. Because the reality is when you know how to make money in something like info product sales or even just sales in general, you will never go broke ever again. Every business on the planet needs sales reps, whether we're in a recession, whether AI takes over the world, it doesn't matter because businesses will need sales reps. AI cannot replace a person-to-person Zoom meeting where you're selling something to somebody. That means like if you actually put your time and effort into learning a skill like this, you will get rewarded in the long term. You're never gonna be stuck stressing about finding the right business model or finding the right opportunity, lighting money on fire in something like crypto or running paid ads on dropshipping, burning all your money, or trying to start an AI business that everybody else is selling right now. You can start making decent money right now by hitting 10K per month by helping businesses with sales. And then when you have that, when you have money saved up, when you have skills, when you have experience, then you can go and start a business. And guess what? When you actually try and start that business in the future, your odds of actually crushing it are going to be much higher than the person that tries to start a business as a beginner. So I hope this video helped you out. Go watch that video in the description. It should give you a ton of value about doing appointment setting and doing info product sales. I show you exactly how to find businesses and find creators, and then what do you actually send to these people in order to land positions. And if you want to work with me and you want to skip through that entire thing, we place brand new beginners on appointment setting and closing offers all of the time. I'll leave a link in the description and my Instagram where you can either book a call to learn a little bit more about what that would look like, or you can message me on Instagram if you're interested in that. And if you're somebody that's like interested in info product sales, but you're not really sure if it's for sure something that you want to do, no worries at all. Go check out some of the other videos on my channel first. I promise you, like whatever level you're at, just start, because if you actually apply this information, you could literally change your life. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and you guys take care and have a great rest of your day. Peace.